Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a disappearing mobile menu on your Wix website. If you're dealing with this frustrating issue, don't worry, you're definitely not alone. A vanishing mobile menu can disrupt the user experience, leaving visitors confused about how to navigate your site and potentially hurting your site's performance. So, let's dive right into how you can resolve this. First, open the Wix editor. This is your main hub for making adjustments and customizations to your site. If you're not already logged in, make sure you use your regular credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the page where the mobile menu issue is occurring. It's always a good idea to start off by identifying where this problem surfaces so you can address it more effectively. Now, switch to mobile view by clicking on the mobile icon at the top of the editor. This is crucial because the desktop view often doesn't show the problems that can pop up on mobile devices. Once you're in the mobile view, take a closer look at the menu by clicking on it. It's possible the menu might have an opacity setting or a position that prevents it from displaying as expected. Check its settings to see if anything looks out of place or unusual. Next, try to resize or reposition the menu on the mobile screen. Simply click and drag the menu item to a location where it should be visible when visitors access your site from a mobile device. A wrongly placed menu can sometimes move to a non-intuitive part of the screen due to design or layout changes. Another critical step is to examine the layers. The mobile menu might be positioned under another element, making it invisible or covered up. Look into the Layers panel, usually found in the top navigation, and ensure the mobile menu is at the top or above other overlapping features. If it's not, you can drag it to the top of the layer stack for improved visibility. Refreshing the site preview is also a recommended practice following any changes. Click Preview at the top right of the editor to see how your adjustments affect the overall look and functionality of your menu. If all appears functioning correctly, it's a great sign you've tackled the issue. Before concluding your session in the Wix editor, remember to hit the Publish button to save any changes you've made. This ensures that all your hard work in resolving the disappearing mobile menu issue is live and visible to your audience. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you should now have a fully functional mobile menu that enhances the user experience on your Wix website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting your site back on track. If you found this useful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more practical tips and tutorials on managing your website.